Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jen. I do videos all about fashion, mostly clothing unboxings like this Nadine West that I have here. I'm trying out a purple lipstick today and it's a little bit more dramatic than I was planning and I feel like it makes me super pale. So that was a lesson learned, but just it was on there so I kept it. So anyways, Nadine West, if you're not familiar, it is a styling service where they send you anywhere from 2 to 15 items. They market themselves as a more affordable styling service, which they are, but with more affordable. It is probably lesser quality clothing, but I always get, you know, a piece or two out of here that I really enjoy. They also tend to send some accessories, so I have greatly enjoyed almost all my jewelry that I have gotten has been from a Nadine West. Now I know there's other services I could get jewelry through, but why not get one with both clothing and jewelry? So they give you a whole week, which is awesome. And let's go ahead and dive right in. Let me pull out all my bundles here. Looks like I've got 1,000 of them. All right, we're on the last one next. Okay. All right, so I guess let's just go with the one that I pulled out last here and dive right into it. I see some animal print to start out with, and I feel some linen. All right, so this should be fun. I'm excited. All right, we have this. Ooh, okay. We have this cami, this animal print cami, black and gray. This is by Miley and Molly. And, you know, a high neck. Ooh, okay. I like that. I like that quite a bit. So, okay, I'm already really happy. Next, we have a buffalo plaid something. What are you? Are these leggings? Okay, buffalo plaid leggings, kind of black, gray, and cream, I would say, or kind of an off-white color. It's not quite a white, but these could be fun to throw on a tuna top over at home. They're very lightweight, so they would be an at-home piece for me, but I'm not mad at it. Next up, we have this mint colored something. This is by Zanana Premium, and it's got these lace sleeves here, short sleeve. It looks very boxy to me, very wide and boxy, so I can tell you right now I'm not going to be a huge fan, but we will go ahead and try that on. Then we have something linen. It looks like linen pants, wide leg pants. And just, I like the neutral color of them. I like that a lot. These they appear to not have pockets, which is a little disappointing, but elastic waist and then a cute little tie in the front. Okay, I actually really like these. I think these will be a good, breezy, at-home pair, or wear out, just a good, breezy pair of pants for springtime and summer. I am not beyond wearing pants year-round because, hi, I'm Jen, and I'm always cold. All right, next up we have mauve, which is one of Nadine West's favorite colors, is mauve. And this is a V-neck with pocket and a twist bottom. I've got a similar green one in, I think I got it from a Nadine West, and I actually wear it quite a bit. So I know this is the rayon wrinklier material, but sometimes I'm okay with that. So I think that might be staying, we'll see. Now, onto the blousey. We have a 3/4 sleeve blouse with gold zippers and buttons. And this type of blouse is really up my sleeve. First of all, I love polka dots. So it's a dark navy with white polka dots. I love that. So we'll see if that's a good fit. That'll be a keeper. It doesn't look to be super thin. So I'm optimistic on that piece. Then we have some leggings with this white massive material on the top. Presumably that folds over, so those are okay. I had these type of fold over tops many years ago. I'm kind of on it, but popular 21. Then we have orange. Orange, what are you? Looks to be some sort of blouse, okay, by Zanana, and has kind of a ruffle sleeve and then a side tie. So it's like a faux wrap, it looks like, but it does have a little button here that's secure. So is it actually a full wrap? or a faux wrap. Okay, I think that's an actual wrap, but a secured wrap. So I like that, and I don't have anything orange. So I would not mind having like one thing orange. I don't see myself filling my closet up with orange, but I wouldn't mind having one thing that's that color. All right, then we got more linen somethings. These kind of more have the paper bag look to them. Again, kind of an off-white with a gray stripe. So not mad at the super, super wide leg. The problem with these and the other one is probably gonna be a mile too long, which you can't really get away with on a linen pant. There's not really any folding that up. This is by Ambiance Apparel. Then last clothing item we have is this, another cami. I don't know, do you call a nice top like this cami, or cami's just like the simple layering piece? I don't know. We'll just call this a tank top, I guess. And it's, I think it's black. Let's see. Yep, it's black with some red, gray, white, and blue on it. It's actually little 4th of July-ish theme, red, white, and blue on it with a little bit of gray and black. So I like this. I can always use layering pieces. Oh, this is Gilly. That's my first Gilly in a Nadine West. Well done, Nadine West. So that is cool. Now, we've got some cool leaf earrings. Now, I got leaf earrings in, I think, my last box, like big old fat leaf ones, and I really, really like them. I feel like these are a little redundant of that. Sorry, trying to get it in order. Okay, it's just gonna stay twisted. But look at those sparklies. Can you guys see that? Yeah, that's pretty. I really like that. So most likely these will end up staying at home with me. Don't really need them, but they're super cute, and I like the sparklies. Okay, necklace. Ooh, this is interesting. What are you? I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one on right now. We're skipping to the try-on, folks. Okay, here it is on. Now look at that. That's very unique. This reminds me of a purse that my uncle got in like Belize, and it was leather and had kind of these tassels on it, and I loved it until it died because I just loved it too much. And so I don't know, this is a very unique piece, and I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like it's super cool. I have concerns about whether I would ever reach for it, but it is super, super cool. So I'd love to hear you guys' opinions on this, because sometimes it helps me to figure out, you know, are my thoughts similar to other people's, or am I just like way out here in left field? So, okay, I like that. All right, so I'd say this was a pretty darn good bag for me. I pretty much liked most of what they sent me, so, and that's not always the case. I did forget to mention that if you do want to try Nadine West for yourself, I do have a referral link below that will get you free shipping plus $10 off your first bag. Now, with the service, there's no styling fee. They just you pay $9.79, and that covers the shipping cost. So, but that does get applied to anything you purchase. So I think that's enough about the service. Yeah, referral link below if you want to try it. And I'm excited to try these pieces on, so let's do it. Okay, so these pants are, now they're not a mile too long. I feel like they're supposed to be kind of more of a crop, which you can find, you know, kind of the wide leg crop thing is in. In me, it's just like a wide leg ankle, and I feel like it looks weird. It needs to be like a ½ an inch longer or several inches shorter. So, and here's the waist on them. It feels kind of bulky up here. Just not a huge fan. Now, this shirt, can we all agree that this shirt is just huge on me? It had potential. I liked the color of it. I like the style, but it would just have to be, let's see, can I kind of adjust it? Not with these pants. It would just have to be a lot smaller for me to keep it. So definite no here. Next outfit. Okay, next up we have the buffalo plaid pants or leggings and this twist front top. I do really like it. It's a fun, loose top. Again, would have to definitely throw it in the dryer before I wore it and just be weary to try to keep it wrinkled. I like the sleeves on it, the kind of slouchy pocket I think that it has to it. So I'm a fan of it. What do you guys think? Now the pants, they're fun, but I don't like the feel of them. I like they're good length, so they're not too long or anything like that. But I just there's no kind of compression. There's nothing really. Just feels really loose, almost tights, but it's just up top here. It feels like loose and like I'd be pulling at it a lot. And they're super thin, so there's nothing really you can hide in these. So though I like the idea of these, just the fit of it was not great. So next outfit. Okay, so here we have the mint top and the black and white leggings. Now the mint top I actually like better than I thought because it just looks so wide, but now you see how long it is. It's just a very loose, flowy. So it seems super casual, but then you have this lace which makes it feel dressier. And I just don't think I'm in love with it. It's just okay, in my opinion. Not bad, but not great. The leggings I actually really like. They're great length. I don't really like this band here at the top, but I have lots of stuff that I wear that's long anyways. But they actually fit well, and they feel really good. So just to have a nice, simple black legging, which surprisingly I don't really have because I've been very anti-legging and before pandemic hit and I'm at home all the time and going, where are my leggings? I have no leggings. So now I'm accumulating a few pairs of leggings. So these will probably stay provided they are priced appropriately. So, okay, next outfit. Okay, so here's the tank, and they don't really doesn't go well with the pants because it's got this big old tie that's right here. But, so I'm just gonna try to pull this down a little bit so you guys can see it. I really like this. This is good quality. This reminds me of something that I would get in other styling, more expensive styling services. So really happy with this piece and most likely will be saying. Now, that being said, it is a little bit big, but considering the fact that I would layer this under things, I am leaning towards keeping it. So the pants, I don't know how to feel. So I like them. They're a breezy linen feeling. I think they're a pretty good fit. I'll have to watch that back and see how I look from a 360, but a pretty good fit, and then a appropriate length of what I would expect a linen pant to be, so I could just throw in a pair of sandals with these. So I'm thinking about it. The weirdest part is there's just kind of like this weird little extra fabric here, so I wish that kind of the elastic waist was a little bit tighter. That would make it better. I could always get it, I could always get it altered, but I don't know that I like it enough to get it altered. But I don't know. I kind of like them. What do you guys think? What do you think? Okay, I think I have two more tops. I'm still going to throw them on with these pants just because I have nothing else from the bag to throw them on with. So, again, pardon this situation. Okay, now we have the ghillie top. Like I said, a really good 4th of July type thing. I'm pulling my pants down so the tie's not in the way. Nice 4th of July type theme, which is cool. And it does have adjustable straps to it, so I did adjust them up almost all the way. And I'm really happy with this. I like this a lot. So this man being a keeper, we'll see. All right, final top. Okay, for this blouse, I essentially have the sleeves done the two different ways. One is it does have a tab sleeve, which is most likely how I would wear it. They do have, you can wear it down as displayed by this other sleeve, but it is quite long for me that way, so most likely it would be a tab sleeve for me. But overall, I think it's a good fit. I have a couple of tops with this whole zip thing here, and I like that. It's a cute detail. Here's the 360. So I like it. It'll just kind of depend on everything that I am interested in keeping. So that brings me to, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, here we go. Starting from the top, we have what is called the dot zip. This is $30.49. keep in mind when I give you prices, I'm giving the full price, but I myself am been lucky enough to get the VIP prices, which is 50%. So when I'm talking about keeping something, I'm actually paying half the price that I'm listing up. So that being said, I felt like it was a little bit big when I looked at it in the mirror, but I still like it and think it would look really beautiful with some white pants. So I'm kind of on the fence with that, and I think it'll decide by the end what I decide to keep, which we'll do right at the end. Next up, we have the rosy top. This is $25.99. I kind of have a lot of mauve tops already. I think I forget that I have mauve, and I'm like, oh, that's a new color. I don't have it. Well, I do, Jen. Stop it. I do. That being said, I know that this type of shirt is something that I do reach for, so I might keep that. Again, we'll decide at the end. Then we have the Isla top, and this is $31.99. This was the ghillie. I love kind of the 4th of July colors that it has going on. I can see myself wearing a gray or red cardigan over it just because I'm always layering up. So I think that one's going to be a keeper. And I think this one's going to be a keeper. This is the Mitch top, $26.99. I really thought it was cute. I love the animal print on it. I like the high neck on it. So I like that a lot. What's not a keeper is the Glorifica top, $26.99. I think that's a good price for it. It's just huge on me. So it shall not stay. Then we have the Enrica top, and it is $36.99. I'm a little bit surprised that it's more expensive than some of the other pieces, but it does feel good. Kind of heavy, kind of quality, feels nice, but I was very about it, so that's not going to stay. Then we have the Run Around leggings, and these are $16.99. And strangely, I don't really have any regular black leggings, so I think I'm going to keep them. I need regular black leggings. Then we have the desk pants, and these are $24.19. And these were just not a good length for me, so those are not staying. Then we have the Pima pants. These are $22.49. Now I looked in the mirror, kind of looked at all angles and went, you know, I kind of like it. I mean, the waistband could be tighter. That would be nice, but I feel summery, I feel beachy in these. And so those are probably going to stay. Then we have these pants, which were very thin and just needed more tightness around the stomach because I felt like I'd be pulling at them, so not going to keep those. Can't remember if I said the price, $22.49. Then we have the earrings. These are the jean earrings. I love the sparkle of the leaf. So, oh, and these are $18.99. So I'm leaning towards keeping these. I feel like I'm keeping a lot here, but it's kind of a good bag. Nice job. And then we have this double layer necklace, which is so interesting and unique. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is $24.99. So that leaves me with a lot of things I want to keep. So potentially earrings, necklace, 2 pairs of pants, and 3 tops. That is a lot. Now I do have a little bit of credit. So thank you to Melissa, Jamie, and Julie. Thank you guys so much for using my referral link. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you love Nadine West. So I think this blouse is probably not going to make the cut because there's a lot here I want to keep. That was actually 6 pieces I was holding up. So I'm thinking about the mauve top, though I may check my closet and see if I genuinely have too much mauve. And then the 2 tanks, and then the 2 pairs of pants. Plus the earrings, and maybe the necklace. So I'll do some math, figure out what to keep. Love. I would really appreciate your guys' feedback because clearly I'm having a hard time deciding, and I do have a little time to figure it out. So whatever you guys think, that would be super helpful. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. This to me was one of my better Nadine West bags. They're very much kind of hit and miss. But this one, I definitely got some pieces, which makes it worth it. I keep getting this bag because I keep finding at least 1 or 2 pieces that I like and are affordable. So it's like, why not? Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below. All right, hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye.